Hey guys, how's everyone doing? So the first thing I do to any car I get, and probably the same thing that you guys do, is you want to protect it. They come with these cheapy little carpet mats. I think they get cheaper every time you get a car, but they don't really do anything to protect it. And they just look really bad. I mean, this is 2 days old here, and they just look worn. They're super thin. You spill something, it's going to mess up the carpet underneath, and it's more cleaning, and you wear the carpet out. So I want to show you something I just picked up that makes it really easy to keep clean. So I picked up a set of Lasfit floor mats. Includes all the mats you need inside and also the cargo liner as well. So everything you need in one package. I like these because they do a great job of protecting the car. They have the high sides on them. It covers everything. This is the driver's side here. It covers the dead pedal, which is very important. And also has these nice covers for the retainers here. So this uses the OEM system that will keep them in place, which is very important. And it has the nice covers for them too. It has these nice little nibs in the back that keeps them in place. It has a nice texture to it. It's not like a hard plastic. It has a nice like rubberized coating on it. So it feels really good. If it's raining out, it's not going to be real slick like those other mats. And the most important thing is the fit. They're all 3D measured, so it fits every contour of the car perfectly. So let me go ahead and install them. I'll show you exactly how great they fit in the 2025 ADX. So here's the passenger side here. As you can see, fits perfect around, goes up under the dash, which is very important. If you have any creases in this when they get shipped, it's normal. You just put them in the car and warms up a couple days, it'll go back to the original shape. So don't be concerned if there's any creases or anything like that in them. But real nice design. You see how deep it goes underneath here. Covers everything, has a little lip. So if you have passengers in it and they spill stuff, it'll be contained. And that's the most important thing, because if you've ever spilled anything on these OEM carpets, they are hard to clean and they get bally really quick. And here's the cargo liner, which is I like a lot, because it even has this little piece on the front that goes up on the back of the seats. So you put dirt in here or anything, it'll really contain it. And then they already have the cutouts for these hooks. So if you want to use those little tie downs, perfect. And it goes in all the cubbies too. And this right here will come down in a couple days just because it was folded up. So that's perfectly normal. But it's a really nice set of mats. Has minimal branding on it. You can see the branding is just out of the black plastic, so it doesn't stick out. Very subtle. Like this will all come back to shape in a couple days. I just had these and they're kind of folded up. But really nice mat. Has the retainer covers on them and goes up under the accelerator and brake pedal, which is important because that's where you'll get a lot of rocks and debris falling off your shoe. So really great mat, guys. I've used these in a lot of vehicles. It's a great company. They stand behind them and they offer a great value. I mean, these right now are under $200 for the full set with the cargo mat. If you get the OEM ones, it's going to cost you about $300 to $400. And the OEM ones don't have these high lips on them, so they don't even protect as well either. And I've had them in other Hondas and Acuras, the OEM ones, and they just do not protect at all. So if you'd like to pick something up, check the link in the description. I think you guys really like them. And on top of just the floor mats, they have a lot of other stuff like cargo containers. They have air compressors, all kinds of stuff that you need for your car to keep it clean and keep it safe. So again, just check the link in the description. Check them out. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. I appreciate you guys as always. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks again, everybody.